Damn, you can see like the purple right now. It's just a Corolla. It's just a Corolla.
Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. Today, me and some of the folks from VEGASEVOs are gonna go up to OG Carson Coffee. So sit back and relax and enjoy. We made it down here to Carson Coffee over on Eastern and Richmar. This is the celebrity Carson Coffee that they do every Saturday morning, 7 a.m. to 10. ACR Viper here. Usually I see them in like a red. I don't see them in green, so this is pretty sweet. Got a Rolls Royce Dragster here. Goals one day, hopefully be able to have this Porsche. Maybe a GT3 RS. See, it's pretty chill meet here, Carson Coffee on Saturday. Definitely should come check it out. It's every Saturday, 7 a.m. till 10.
Damn, you can see like the purple right now. It's just a Corolla. It's just a Corolla.
So a couple of us were talking and we're thinking about doing a cruise / barbecue within the next couple of months. If you guys are down for something like that, comment down below and let us know. It's always a good time catching up with old friends and meeting new ones as well. So I think this is going to be the wrap on this video. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that like button and also subscribe. Remember, right now I got my giveaway going on for 500 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. and you could get entered into the giveaway. All right, till next time.